These are super cool. I bought this Michael Jackson from LJN. If someone wanted to buy the whole collection, what would you do for the whole collection?
90.
How much money?
It's hard to say.
So today I'm heading to the Webster Flea Market, which is the largest flea market in the state of Florida. Just to give you guys a little heads up, the first like 3 minutes is going to be a little dark because I got there like 5:45 in the morning. I'm going to pick with some flashlights. So let's go.
What
is this? What do you have on this?
$5.
$5. That's a cool little piece.
I know they have like some. I know Thundercats has some snowplow machine thing. But
Flip it over. I can't see the back of it.
CBS though, that's the other thing.
1984
CBS, which doesn't make sense. I don't think Thundercats are CBS toys.
No, I don't know what that is. Here, hold it. Maybe I can Google. Let me see if I can Google lens it. Robo Fortress.
That makes more sense with the 204. I was like, what, for the broken thing?
What is this? What do you have in the dinosaurs?
$5 for both.
Okay.
Thank you for letting me look.
Price? Are they different prices?
If you want everything, I do $200.
How many pops are there?
I don't know.
We just can't.
That's what I pay for. I just want to
Yeah.
get my money back. So there's some exclusive ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
These two, so it's 1.
17.
Yeah.
And what do we have here? Is this 2 rows?
I got dibs.
2, 3,
Daniel
4,
Simon.
5.
No,
So,
no science.
more. So this is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
What are you doing? That's only. Oh, you're saying.
Yeah, there's 2 rows.
Yeah.
Oh no, hold on a minute. Maybe not. What is this? Oh, these are multiple.
Yeah, it's a bigger one. It's just a bigger one right there.
Gotcha.
So maybe you subtract 1 from it, but
Yeah.
it'll give you a ballpark.
I don't know. Do I want to invest in pops today? And
That's the only thing I don't buy.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
I bought those long time ago.
17. I'll pass on that, man. Thank you though for letting me look at them. Oh my.
I was gonna leave her home.
I should ride Kelly.
Yeah, but
I mean,
What a cutie.
Al, give Tina the wagon.
What a oh my gosh.
seem decent.
And
Punching and kicking.
picking and punching. How are you, man? Is this all the Disney stuff you have? Just that right there?
Somewhere I have a picture of that tree.
Teapot thing. And this one here, this is real funky.
What are these?
They're just real old and they're real funky.
Definitely look old.
Oh, they're definitely old.
Hong Kong. The Mark's toys.
Yeah.
These are later ones though, because I've had the Mark's toys from like the 50s. From the these might be what 70s maybe.
I don't know, they look pretty old.
Yeah.
I don't think they're 70s.
You think what do you think 60s?
I'm thinking 50s.
I'm thinking 50s.
I think.
I mean they could be. These are interesting. Are you pretty set in that price 30? Okay.
Till the end of the day.
Yeah. These are super cool. This is a teapot?
I don't get it.
What do you have on the teapot? Oh, you have 10. Okay. What's this, 2002? It's a cool piece.
Yeah. It just got taped on there because
Yeah.
fell off, you know.
I gotta be more careful now when I look at stuff at. I always end up buying stuff broken at the flea market all the time. Because they come with, you can't see.
Yeah, I know. Take your time.
No, yeah.
That's the way I got it.
Oh, yeah. tail over there. I can't tell you how many things I bought that did missing the tail and everything else. If I give you 30 on that, would you do 5 on the Tigger? Okay.
For you, I would.
All right, cool, man. I appreciate it.
Nice too.
Yeah.
How much you got on your Groots?
That's cool.
Are they sippers, like a Disney sipper, like a cup?
No.
That's a dancing one, is it?
Straw
Yeah.
holder. Well, it's got a straw holder. on
Oh,
it.
does it?
You know what
I think
they
it's a
are. I'm
cup.
sorry, like these, yes.
Yeah.
Their motor trend is on top, and underneath is foreign card.
Okay.
If you want the whole box, it's 15. There's like
15.
170 of them.
What are these old ads from magazines?
Yeah, they're $5 each. Any one, it
Yeah.
don't matter.
That's cool. I like the frame.
Yeah.
The Mickey frame. I see the Orioles jersey. You got more sports stuff?
Yeah, but I don't have it out yet. It's,
Okay.
all I got's some Nolan Ryan stuff and some
Okay.
Ohio State stuff.
Gotcha. You getting the Figment?
No. I was saying I never seen
Oh.
Bears, the figurines. You always have like the brown Boyd's bear.
How much is Figment? 15.
What is it? 15?
Yeah. I think it's from the, it's an Parks exclusive. I think it's from Epcot's Food and Wine Festival.
Yes, it definitely is. Because I got the popcorn bucket that matches it.
Stickers coming off though. And box beat up.
I think in that condition here, 20, 25.
Yeah. How much is this?
$3.
$3.
That's my number today, I guess.
Okay.
You know, we should really look stuff up. She's just guessing, by the way.
Is this $3 too?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's sealed.
It's been sitting in a closet for, I can't even tell you how long.
Honey, you know you might please. You're the last guy at 3.
Okay.
You heard all that, right?
You chime in with all the prices and
Everything's nothing's lower than 5. You're not selling BB-8?
All right. Well, I'll get this here. I have a little stack.
I do think I might.
I have a bag. Don't worry
Oh,
about
I
it.
have the straws.
Oh, okay. Straws. Okay. Yeah.
I think.
Do you have more Disney stuff at all that you haven't put out yet?
I just have a couple little things in there. I'm sorry. 12, 15. Are you getting this one too? 18? There you go.
Thank
you
you.
need a bag?
I got that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Do you have what's that stuff there?
Some sort of shield.
What is this?
It's a shield. I don't remember to what it was for.
It's Star Wars.
Yeah, it's Star Wars.
That was a special launch, and they launched the resort. And they sold them brand new at 110.
Yeah, and I think I'm gonna hold on to this Groot. He's my favorite.
Okay.
It's just a little Dory 10
Okay.
and Groot I had.
How much you have on this? And this one here?
This one 5, 10.
Okay.
Is that better?
That's better. Thank you.
Do you have anything else before I pay?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, you're
We're
good.
so behind today.
Yes, ma'am. I have these two right here.
Okay.
That's actually kind of cool. Oh, it actually plays the music? That's cool, piece.
Have a good day.
You
Thank
too.
You so much.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate the deal, sir. You have a good day, man.
Hey, good luck.
Thank you.
You got a channel? I like to get $10.
Yeah, it is. Okay, that's fair, man.
I think that's fair.
Yeah,
Pretty sure it probably went for like $19.99.
probably.
I don't know, at Disney World nowadays, you never know. It's like a $100 bill.
I will think about that one. See if I miss anything before I leave. All right, man. Thank you for everything, man. How you doing today?
Hey,
Is these all, was it Heartland?
Heartland.
What do you have on them? Are they different prices?
Yeah, different ones. Depends on which one you're looking at. I've had them 25 years.
Like how much is this one here?
That's Dale Evans.
Mm-hmm.
That's Roy Rogers.
Yep.
There's Bullet. I like to sell all of them together.
What are you asking for them?
I'll tell you what, I'll take $70 off 3 of them.
All three? Which three? This one, this one?
This one, and the dog.
And then how much are these ones over here?
These are different prices. I forget the name of him. Stagecoach. I don't have a saddle for these.
Yeah.
This one. I got saddles for most of them.
Okay. How much is the price on those?
I take 40 for these. Either one of these. Oh yeah, there it is. I got a hat somewhere. I had the book, and then I lost it.
Uh-huh.
Bought another one and lost that one.
Do you have more you haven't put out yet?
Yeah, well, I don't know. That box went, this box went.
I think, is there one more in here?
No.
You got a couple guys in here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know if you want to put those out. Yeah, so you get a couple of them. If someone wanted to buy the whole collection, what would you do for the whole collection?
Money.
How much money?
It's hard to say. Some of them, this one's $350. That's number 3 on the register.
So what is your take it home price?
I never figured that up. I'd like to sell one, much less than all of them.
You only want to sell one of them? You bring out the whole. You bring it out here? I thought you were bringing it out here to sell.
I did. I'll sell them all if you want them.
Well, how much you want for all of them?
That's hard to say. I've had them 25 years.
I get it. So you're emotionally connected to them?
Yes and no.
Yeah.
How much are they?
Was this your personal collection you had?
Yeah.
Over the year, I get it. If you want to think about it, I'll come back then when you come up with the price.
All right. Maybe we can get together.
Okay.
You want to throw out?
No, I gotta see what he wants. So if he doesn't have a price in mind, then it's not gonna.
What's your crazy high number that you think we'd say no to?
That was worth $350.
Yeah.
That's
What's
what
your
I
high
paid
number?
for.
So in your brain, is all of them 1,000, all of them 500,
No.
all of them 200? What are you thinking?
About $70
$70 for all of them?
for each.
For each. 70 each times whatever quantity. Okay. All right. Well, we'll
And the
think about
horses
it.
by themselves will go for less.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll
All
think about it while we walk around. Thank you, man.
All right.
Thank you. Hello.
Oh,
How much are the figures?
They're 50 the set.
The whole set. What about the bags?
$10 a bag.
$10 a bag, huh?
There's a Pure Bears in there worth about 10 each in one of those bags. I don't know.
How much are your Barbies, the loose ones?
The loose Barbies are 3 each.
Yo, stay away from my tables, bro. These are my people. Yeah.
Hey, I know him. Can I get a better deal now?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
How'd you do yesterday?
Oh,
All right, well, Saturday. Yeah, me.
last one.
Yeah, it was a bad day.
Yeah, it was.
It was a bad day.
So if I'm his friend, do I get a better deal or do I have to pay more?
Yeah, you're paid double, probably.
maybe.
What's up, man?
How you guys doing?
You got any cars for me today?
Cards. Yeah, I got some. These are all General Mills right here from the cereal boxes, 1974, 1977. But I think I do got some of the Disney stuff that you would have loved. These things right here are crazy.
See what you got. What are these?
Of 1970, bro.
Oh, they're just stickers?
Yeah, crazy.
Huh, what are you asking for these? I've never seen these before.
Well, you can look at them. They all sell for $4 or $5 a piece.
Gotcha.
Online. That bundle. And these are cool too, because since you do Disney, these stickers too.
These are interesting. Here you go.
Yeah, I can do $8.
$8?
Yeah.
How much on the package?
That one right there is I can do. I'll do 10 on that one.
What do you have on these?
I know because you do the Disney.
Yeah. Dude, I have no idea. I've never even seen these before.
Yeah, they're General Mills. They come out of the cereal boxes.
Oh, gotcha.
So whoever collected these, you can see they were avid collector on these, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I would do all those for you, man. Right there, I would do 100 right there.
100, okay.
Yeah, for these stacks right here.
Okay. Yeah, don't put them down there. It was wet. Yeah, I won't put them down there, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on those though. Man, they're cool. I just my thing is I don't know how my audience would buy those. You know what I mean?
If you could sell them like a couple at a time, or in bundles, you'd be really great off them. But that's if you could. It's spectatorial.
I don't know how many more Disney whatnot shows I'm gonna end up doing, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
So I'm getting.
We were migrants, so
that's awesome. That's smart, man.
We had to work.
Dude, that's brilliant. You're a flea market genius right now. Every time I come here, my shoes get wet. Why didn't I think of that?
I'm not dealing with that.
That's the smartest thing I've ever seen. What do you have on that?
15.
I saw your dad this week.
Yeah.
On Saturday.
Yeah.
I ran into him at garage sales.
If I just saw this one, what do you think is a good price for it? I usually get about 25 for them. You do 20? All right, I do 20. That way I can give him some money. He needs it.
And then I'm gonna negotiate with him, man. I'm gonna give this 15.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. I have a local Amazon seller that I work with that gives me $22 for Wii Sports. So I pick them up whenever I can. Even at $15, I still make a $7 profit. I got to buy from you at least once without negotiating. I don't know if I was filming earlier or not, but I bought this Michael Jackson from LJN. And he wanted 40, and I'm getting it for 30. Probably goes for about 50. It's just such a cool piece. I couldn't pass it up. Sometimes it's about rescuing the items from the flea market. I might put this in my man cave. It's a cool piece to put up. I had so much fun picking at Webster. I love going to the flea market. You never know what you're going to find. Unfortunately, the day got cut a little bit short because we did get rained on there. But I did pick up some cool things. I did pick up those Marx Disney figures from the 1960s. I'm doing a Disney blowout of all my high-end Disney pins. It's going to be this awesome Disney show, so you guys don't want to miss that. I'll put a link down in the description down below here. I'm going to start those off at $1 each. So when it came to the old guy with those Heartland figures, you could tell he was emotionally connected to those, and he did not want to sell them. You know, he was putting them out there. He probably would have sold one here, one there. I have sold those in the past. I've done really well. Heartland also has some baseball figures. If you guys ever come across those, like Mickey Mantle, Babe Ruth, Ted Williams from the 60s, they actually do sell really well. So I wanted to try to pick these up. I've sold these in the past, but unfortunately, he just couldn't come up with a number, and he didn't want to get rid of them. So I decided to pass and move on. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.